Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy RonTrades, and we are back with another trade breakdown video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over EURUSD, a trade setup that I took towards the end of this week for the week 18 through 22. This was a very rocky week for me. I'm going to be honest. I did take a couple L's this week, but I did finish this week off in profits here, and I actually did pass my FTMO free trial 100K challenge. That's what I was going for this week, so I can get warmed up to take the 100K challenge. So this was a setup here that I was very proud of, that worked out and fitted my rules. So I'm just gonna go over this setup real quick and show you guys what I've seen and how I capitalized off this setup. So before I do that, let's go ahead and be transparent and show you guys here. You guys can see here's my 100K account free trial. This is a free trial. For you naysayers, this is a free trial. This is not a live account. You can see here EURUSD, April 22nd. This is where this trade was taken on Friday, April 22nd. As you can see, I got in around that 128 level, 135 level. So took about 2 entries here on this setup. Very nice setup here. Obviously, you guys can see. So let's go ahead and just dive right into the charts and show you guys what I've seen. So first and foremost, on EURUSD, I was bearish for the entire week. Now I understand we did buy. Obviously, we did see a lot of buying pressure here, but that was only because the DXY was doing a retracement. If you guys don't use the DXY, for the people that trade Forex and currencies, it's very important to use a DXY, especially if you're trading a dollar, because the DXY kind of gives you a picture of what the GU would do or EU would do. So on DXY here, let's go to the DXY real quick just to keep it transparent. So as you can see here in the DXY, right, so we had a retracement here. We running equal highs here. We had a retracement down here. And then we had this bullish push up here. This bullish push up is literally the same thing that happened on EURUSD. So all of this right here on the DXY is literally the same move on EURUSD. This drop down. So if DXY is going up, that means what? EURUSD is going down. So that's one of the it's not really a trick. I mean, it's kind of obvious, but that's what I use to kind of determine my bias when I'm trading EURUSD and GU. So basically what I've seen here on EURUSD, 15-minute time frame here. As you can see, we obviously have a clean order block here. This is a very clean order block. Price pushes up here. Right inside of this order block, rejects. Now, I didn't enter right here because I wasn't on the charts. I was actually at work. So I took this trade from my phone while I was at work. So this just goes to show you that if you know what you're looking for, you can do this whenever and wherever. A lot of people don't like trading on their phones, but I have no problem doing it as long as I know what I'm looking for. So price ran up here inside of the order block. It tapped the order block. I missed it. So once I came to my screen, I was right here. The moment I opened my trading view at 9:30, I was already hunting this displacement here. So I seen price ran the order block, last up close candle for these consistently down close candles, and we have displacement here. So this is displacement. So this means that this order block can potentially be valid. Why is this order block valid? Because we have displacement before. Now, if we didn't have this displacement, I would have not gotten to this trade, because this means this order block can be rejected and reversed off of and continue to keep going higher. But since we had the displacement here, I was like, hey, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and look for a fair value gap entry. So price ran up to the order block here, tapped inside of it, rejected off nicely, showed displacement, and we actually broke this minor low here. So once we broke this minor low here, I was like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna wait for some displacement for a pullback here. We're gonna be targeting this trend line liquidity, because retail people are buying right here off this trend line. It's gonna be money. Liquidity is literally gonna be hunting right below this right here, because this trend line has not been broken yet. So I was like, hey, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and break this little retail trend line here, which is gonna have liquidity here. Now, my initial target, I'm gonna be very honest, my initial targets was right here at sell side liquidity. This is what I wanted to see it drop down to. But with the time in the day, and it was Friday, I kind of knew that I probably wouldn't have got that target that got hit, just because it was Friday and price was about to close. So like I say here, we showed displacement here, guys. Nice displacement candle. I enter off the fair value gap. I enter off this second one here. So I didn't take the first one. I waited for the second one. So displacement, the next candle opened up at 9:45, next 15-minute candle. We went up perfectly for a fair value gap. I didn't enter right there because I wanted to see just a little bit more confirmation. I was being picky just because I was trading on my phone, and I'm very cautious of when I'm trading on my phone because I don't want to get a wrong entry. So I waited for the next 15-minute candle to open up. We opened up here, we went up, opened up, and we went to the same exact level. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and enter here and put my stop loss right here. So I had about a 15 pip stop. 15 pip stops, just by like a 1 to 2. I had my stop loss right above this displacement counter, because price comes above the displacement counter, probably is, like I said, it's probably about to go back up and take out this this right here, this buy side liquidity up here, because we do have buy side liquidity right here. So if price would have went above that, hit my stop loss, I would already knew, okay, yeah, price is probably gonna go ahead and continue to keep going bullish, but it didn't in this situation. So right here, I took an entry here at, like I say, the 131 level, and I also took some market executions. I took like 2 setups here at the 131 level and the 128. So entering right here, you can see as I entered, price literally attacked this sell side liquidity here. Attacked this trend line liquidity. We attacked it. We went straight down for 41 pips. Now, after obviously I'm taking profits as we're coming down here. I take profits at 20-25 pips. So I took half of this trade off as we was riding down. And then, like I said, I was waiting for price to go to sell side liquidity. So I'm currently still inside of this trade. I'm break even. So the price opens up on Sunday, which would probably go ahead and hit me out. Takes me out and then go to sell side liquidity. But my targets for next week, I definitely want to see sell side liquidity ran here on EURUSD going into next week. But it's a very nice setup here that I took. Like I said, this was kind of like a rocky week. I had a lot of things going on this week, so I did take a couple L's. I think I maybe took like 2 L's on US30. But like I said, that comes with trading. You know, we win, lose, but as long as we taking these high probability setups here, this setup here got me back at break even for the week. Like I said, I was down about 3% at the beginning of this week, but this setup here got me right back to break even. So my account is right back at break even, so that's a good thing here, this EURUSD setup. So let me know in the comments, guys, if anyone caught this move, because I know a lot of people caught this. I'm in some Discord chats and a lot of people caught the same exact trade, so I'm interested to see if my YouTube community caught this trade. If you guys did, let me know in the comment section. But other than that, guys, this is going to be the end of this video. A nice trade breakdown video, guys. Going into next week, I will be a little busy, guys, so if I don't upload videos, I'm sorry. I will try to upload them on the weekend. I have started a new job, so I won't really be trading New York session. I'm mainly going to be trading London session, which is in the middle of the night for me. So if I feel the need to cut the cameras on during London, I will, and try to get the video uploaded. But if I don't, just expect videos probably on the weekend or closer to the end of the week, guys. So without further ado, hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Make sure you guys back test study and, you know, enjoy yourself through this weekend, and happy trading.